So, let's get started. Introduction to CSAS 2. CSAS, or the Common Seat Allocation System, is the centralized online admission process for Delhi University. In this video, we'll be focusing on CSAS 2, which is the second round of the allocation process. Whether you missed the first round or are looking to upgrade your seat, this guide will help you through the process. Important dates. First, let's talk about the important dates. Make sure to mark these on your calendar. Registration start date, released soon. Registration end date, released soon. Choice filling, released soon. Missing any of these dates could mean missing out on your chance to secure a seat at DU, so keep an eye on them. Filling your preferences. Now, let's dive into the actual preference filling. Select courses. You'll see a list of available courses. Start by selecting the courses you're interested in. You can select multiple courses. Rank your colleges. For each selected course, you'll need to rank the colleges in order of preference. Simply drag and drop to arrange them, or use the up and down arrows provided. Save preferences. After arranging your preferences, make sure to save them. You can modify your choices until the last date, but don't forget to save any changes. Locking preferences. One of the most crucial steps is locking your preferences. Here's why it's important. Lock your choices. Once you're confident about your preferences, click the lock button. This confirms your choices. Editing preferences. If you need to make changes after locking, you can unlock your preferences, edit them, and then lock again. However, make sure your final choices are locked before the deadline. Remember, if you don't lock your preferences, the last saved ones will be automatically considered. Tips for preference filling. Here are some tips to help you fill your preferences effectively. Research thoroughly. Look into the courses and colleges beforehand. Consider factors like faculty, campus facilities, placement records, and location. Be realistic. While it's great to aim high, ensure you also include options that match your academic record and cut off trends. Order matters. Your top preference should be your most desired course and college, as this will be given priority during seat allocation. Taking time to research and thoughtfully fill your preferences can significantly impact your admission outcome. What happens next? After the preference filling window closes, the university will process the data and release the seat allocation results. You'll be notified via email and the portal about your allocated seat. Here's what to do next. Check your allocation. Log in to see your allocated seat. Accept the seat. If you're satisfied with the allocation, accept it online. Document verification. Visit the allocated college with your original documents for verification. Fee payment. Complete the fee payment to confirm your admission. And that's it. You successfully navigated through the preference filling process. Final tips and conclusion. Here are a few final tips. Double check all information before submitting. Keep track of deadlines. Make sure your internet connection is stable during the registration and choice filling process. That's all for today's video on filing for CSAS 2 for DU admissions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Guidance Info for more such content. Good luck with your admissions, and I'll see you in the next video.